Hi everyone, in this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to show you how to use the MultiCam function in Resolve. So to use this, what we want to do is we have various clips here in our media pool, and we've got an audio clip as well. Let's take this like so here. Exclude our sound file from that. And now what we want to do is right mouse click, second option that appears in the window that will be generated. It says create multicam clip using selected clips. So what I do is I click on this one here, and now what we want to do is let's change it into either angle clip name, for example, file name, or I can just do it in sequential order. And then what we do here next is we say, okay, let's create that. Now we have our multicam clip here. Okay, so once we have our multicam clip created, and we've got our sound separately here, and then we've got our multicam source files, which have automatically been created into a original clips folder, we can now proceed over to the edit page. And then all we have to do is just drop this file here. And as you can see now, we have the various different angles here once we select here the multicam option. In the edit window with the multicam clip selected, you can also change the angle here. Video and audio only, things like this can all be done by utilizing this pull down menu. You can also switch the angle that you're selecting by right mouse clicking on the clip and selecting switch multicam clip angle. Okay, so now what happens is, say if I come over here and I say, okay, I want to change from this angle to this angle, all I have to do is come into this window, select angle 6, and now automatically a cut has been created, and then it comes over here. Then I can come to this one and then I say, okay, I want to switch to this angle. The other option to do this is through the numerical keys on the keyboard. So I can come over here and switch to angle 3 at this point. And then I can come to here and then say I want to switch back to angle 5. I can do that by pushing 5 on the keyboard, and automatically will cut to this shot like so. And then if I want to go to angle 6, then I could just click on the angle 6 window here, and here I have it. Okay, so for more tips and tricks like this, have a look at the other videos on our YouTube channel. And for more information about training services, have a look in the comments below. Thanks and have a great day.